गुड आफ्टरनून। हमें एक तरह से बहुत खुशी भी है और दुख भी है कि हमारे साथ आज बातचीत करने के लिए कश्मीरी पंडित संघर्ष समिति से संजय टिक्कू जी मौजूद है। वी आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड पेन्ड एज वेल टू हैव संजय टिक्कू for this afternoon's conversation. The Kashmiri Pandit Sangarsh Samiti represents the non-migrant Kashmiri Pandit community that has bravely stayed on in the Kashmir Valley despite 1989, despite 2016, even after the abrogation of Article 317 2019. मतलब बहुत सारे तकलीफों के बावजूद कश्मीरी पंडितों की 808 परिवार है वहीं पे अभी भी कश्मीर वैली में हैं। उनकी जिंदगियां बड़े खतरे में हैं। आर्थिक परिस्थिति के से, सिक्योरिटी के हिसाब से सरकारें आई हैं, सरकारें गई हैं। उन्होंने बहुत सारे मुद्दे सरकारों के पास रखे हैं, मगर फिर भी वो मसले का हल नहीं होता है। हम जानने के लिए आज बैठे हैं, we are sitting with Mr. Sanjay Tikku to understand why the issues of the Kashmiri Pandit 808 families, which is few thousand lives, which represent Kashmir Valley's diversity and Indian democracy, why they're not being protected by the governments in power.
Namaskar. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to address the audience which are watching. The actual problem starts when we chose to stay back in the valley and till 1998. Nobody, no government, no political party recognized our sacrifice till 1998. So in 1998, we started a group, small group. At that time, I was in a prime youth. So we started to look Kashmir Pandit Sangarsh Committee to look after to see what problems we are facing in the valley by way of family wise, by way of socially, economically, politically also, and religiously also. So I along with my team we went to across the Kashmir Valley in 2008-2009, and we conducted a survey from census of left out KPs and the Hindus in the valley. So it was very hectic because of the situation in the valley. So we could only find 808 families, and we recorded their statements by way of audio, video. Also, we interviewed them, and finally we analyzed this whole thing. What is the first requirement for we people if we want to stay back in the land? No doubt there is a security reasons also, but after 2003, the security reasons has been gone down as compared to the economical and other problems which we are facing. तो उसके बाद हमने क्या किया कि we drafted a memorandum and submitted to the various authors with the center, with the state, with the separatists also, because they were holding the fort during that time till 5th of August 2019. And actually we knocked the doors of every foreigner, every those who matters for us. But unfortunately ये है कि फोटो को हिलाने से हमारा कोई मसला अभी तक भी सॉल्व नहीं हुआ। सभी लोग आई मेट पर्सनली right from Mr. H.D. Devgowda जब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे till the present प्राइम मिनिस्टर also. तो सभी ने कहा कि आप लोगों ने बहुत बहादुरी का काम किया, आप वहाँ पे अभी भी रह रहे हो, आपने डेमोक्रेसी, सेक्युलरिज्म, इंडियन एथॉस को जिंदा रखा और हम आपके बारे में सोचेंगे। ये किसी ने नहीं कहा कि we will immediately will address your problem. I नहीं सोचा। Even I met Mr. Modi in 2014 in Srinagar when he had come here to celebrate Diwali with the flood victims, because I too was a flood victim. So we went there. It was around 4:30 in the evening. And as soon as, to be frank, as soon as I entered the room, the governor's house, I feel something within myself bad, because I have already told you that I met from H.D. Devgowda to present Prime Minister. Then I told him categorically, this is on the record, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि मेरी कम्युनिटी आपको या दुनिया में लोग जो हिंदू है जिनको आपने आज की डेट में जो जिनने आपको वोट दिया है वो आपको कृष्ण भगवान का एक अवतार समझते हैं, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा कुछ है। यही वर्ड है, क्योंकि भारत माता को, भारत के लोगों को, भारत सरकार को एक ही बोली समझ आती है, वो है अस्त्र शस्त्र की। चाहे वो कश्मीर से हो, चाहे वो पंजाब से हो, चाहे नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट से हो, आप हमें मजबूर कर रहे हो कि अस्त्र शस्त्र उठाने की। ये यही वर्ड है। और मैंने अपने ग्रुप को कहा कि आप उठिए, कि हमें नहीं लगता कि इतने। फिर उन्होंने कहा कि आपके पास कोई मेमोरेंडम है। मैंने कहा आज तक मैंने सैकड़ों मेमोरेंडम दिए हैं, लेकिन कोई सुनवाई, ये डस्टबिन में चला जाएगा। अभी आप इसको हाथ में पकड़ के आप अपने पीए को देंगे, देन ही विल पुट इन द डस्टबिन, तो विल। बट इन द मीन टाइम बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा कि आपने ऐसी बात क्यों की। even though I talked very harshly with the ex-prime minister Mr. Manmohan Singh also, जब वो यहाँ पे दिल्ली में भी हमने बात की। ये नहीं है कि that Mr. Modi belongs to a particular ideology group, but I talk very harshly when it comes to my survival, my community survival in the valley, whoever it may be the militants, it may be the security forces, it may be the bureaucrats. तो उस वजह से जो यहाँ पे जब हमने वो किया सारा कुछ, तो हमने डाटा किया, कलेक्ट किया, तो उसमें हमें अराउंड 674 अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ मिले, जो कि 10 एंड अबव के जो है क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ 10 एंड अबव, ग्रेजुएट्स है, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स है, एंड सो विद टेक्निकल डॉक्टर्स कुछ थे इसमें, इंजीनियर्स थे। और उसके साथ हमने क्या किया कि हमने ये देखने की कोशिश की फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी फैमिली। तो उसमें हमने क्या किया कि कैटेगरी हमें बनाया थी। हमें उनसे पूछते थे, फैमिली मतलब जो मेंबर्स होते थे, उनके जो हेड ऑफ द फैमिली होते थे, उनसे हमने बात की। तो फिर हमने कैटेगरी स्लाइड किया कि मंथली और एनुअली इनकम क्या है पर फैमिली, क्या है फ्रॉम ऑल रिसोर्सेज। तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली very bad, we could not even help as on date to them. It is around 157 families as on date who are virtually living below poverty line.
My God.
And there are some other families also who were dependent upon on private jobs in private sector. You must be knowing, I am very thankful to you when I contacted you in 2016 in the month of August, September. When there was a full turmoil after the killing of Burhan Wani, and everything was shambles in the valley. So I contacted you, I contacted my what you call my community, some community members also, and to other NGOs also, but they didn't come forward. So firstly to you and your friends, because they paid whatever the amount was said at that time. And it was around 54 families who survived those in that term. तो उसके साथ हमने ये देखा कि यहाँ पे जो हमारे यूथ हैं, जिन्होंने एज जो कवर की है, जो मैरिजेबल एज जो होती है उनके 30 अबव, तो they are around as on date 50% from both the genders. So
how many, sir? How many?
60. Around
60.
तो उनकी अभी शादी नहीं हो रही है। बिकॉज शादी क्यों नहीं हो रही है? द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज द इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम, और बैंक बैलेंस भी नहीं है लोगों के पास। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सारे यहाँ पे वेल ठीक ठाक है। तो उसके साथ फिर हमने जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट थे, जितने भी ग्रुप यहाँ पे आए, और पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी यहाँ पे आई 2010 में, राज्यसभा की और लोकसभा की। तो हमने उनके साथ भी बात की, तो उन्होंने भी अपनी रिपोर्ट्स में 2010 की जो रिपोर्ट्स है पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी की रिपोर्ट विद JNK स्टेट, उसमें हमारा मेंशन है देयर आर अराउंड 800 फैमिली numbering around 4,000 they are living under very bad conditions. So the government of India needs to have a special package for them. legislature. तो उसके बाद as soon as the PM's package for rehabilitation announced in 2009, so before that we met the then Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh. तो उन्होंने वो हमसे कहा कि हम एक पैकेज बना रहे हैं कश्मीरी माइग्रेंट के लिए, उसमें आपका भी होगा, जो आपके जो आपके उनके लिए भी ये होगा. तो लेकिन 2009 में as soon as that was published, so there was no mention of the non-migrants of Kashmiri Pandits or Hindus living in the valley. So we restarted the communication with the center and the state government, and finally we filed a application or the OW under 1986/2014 before the Honorable Court in J&K. So हमने प्रे किया कि we too should be considered in the PM's rehabilitation. तो उसमें तो टाइम, किंतु उसके बाद तो सैलाब आ गया, सैलाब के कारण भी उसमें it was 2013, sorry, 31st of December 2013, 14 में सैलाब आया. So it took at least 2016 में डायरेक्शन आई to the center and the state, और सेंटर ने ऑलरेडी अपना जो एक एफिडेविट में उन्होंने कहा कि let's take it on just a second, so the people must know कि हमने काम कितना किया है और क्यों हमें.
मतलब कहने का मतलब संजय जी का ये है कि उन्होंने पहले सरकारों से बातचीत की, केंद्रीय सरकार से, राज्य सरकार से. There were conversations, repeated representations to the center and the state from 2008-2009 onwards, after they did the statewide, valley-wide survey of how many non-migrant Pandits are there in the valley. They found abysmal levels of economic disempowerment. They found that at least 150 families out of 808 are living below the poverty line. They found that there are youth and young people who could be married, be cohabiting, but they just can't do it because their economic situation is so poor. And finally, Sanjay ji is about to tell us how they finally knocked on the doors of the J&K High Court in December 2013. Ji, Sanjay ji.
And then the center has replied back to the Honorable Court, because there was a fiction title named Sanjay Chikor and others was the Union of India and others. So they filed a reply there.
Reply, ji.
And the reply was that they admitted and endorsed the parliamentary report in that order, that was in the month of October 2016, that will the Kashmiri Pandits who have not left the valley are eligible for the Prime Minister's return and rehabilitation package, especially in the job. So as soon as
for that also it took from 2008 to 2016 to get yourself that admission. Got it.
Correct. तो उसके बाद स्टेट को डायरेक्शन गई कि आप इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए. But state took a very long time because of the bureaucracy. आपको तो पता है कि everywhere in India bureaucracy plays a very vital role. चाहे कांग्रेस आ जाए, बीजेपी आ जाए, सीपीआई आ जाए, तो वो अपना रंग बदलते रहते हैं हमेशा. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या हुआ कि जब बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट यहाँ पे आई, and I am very thankful to Madam Mehbooba ji. She understood our problem.
Who's that?
Madam Mehbooba Mufti.
Mehbooba Mufti ji. Okay, former Chief Minister. Ji.
We met her several times, and she endorsed our problems in a good way, and she asked and she compelled the what you call the bureaucracy to add a SRO for the left out Kashmir. That was in the year of 2017. The SRO is 425 of October 2017, in which we were given the eligibility to file the application to the concerned board for jobs.
This is I just inform our viewers that this is about the commitment of the government to give at least 600 unemployed youth jobs within the valley who belong to the non-migrant Kashmiri Pandit community, a promise that has not been kept. For the first time under Mehbooba Mufti, in October 2017, Mr. Sanjay Chikor is telling us that the bureaucracy was compelled to actually implement this directive. Am I right, sir?
Yeah. So because of that, 4225 came into the existence as on date. But unfortunately, some members of the Sikh community, they went to the High Court and challenged the SRO 425. Why you have given the benefits under the PM's rehabilitation package to the non-married community? So it took us another 3-4 months, 6 months to convince the High Court, convince the double bench, honorable double bench also, and their the stay was vacated and their session was dismissed by the honorable court. So after that, because of the governor rule from July 2018, virtually there was no government on road for people like us. We tried very hard to meet the then governor, Mr. Sajapal Malik, but I don't know why he has not given us the time or the audience so that we can express our problems to him. So then, what is happening on 5th of August last year, and there was total communication blackout. Nobody was knowing whether he is alive or not in the family or not. तो उससे भी ये जो डिले प्रोसेस डिले होता गया. So in the meantime, the government has asked us to give us the list of the unemployment youth. तो हमने क्या किया कि हमने सब यूथ को बुला के उनका तो जितना भी जो उनके पास बायोडाटा था, along with the certificate, photostates, along with the photographs also. तो आज की डेट में जो अभी जो है अराउंड 525 है आज की डेट में. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये है कि पिछले एक साल में आज तक जिस अराउंड 80 यूथ हैव क्रॉस्ड द एज बार, एलिजिबल एज बार फॉर द जॉब. That's the big loss.
Simply because of the carelessness of the government. Simply because of the carelessness of the government.
Yes. So after that, when जब हमने ये देखा तो फिर हम we started the communication with the state and the central government, with the UT and the central government in the month of June. So from 1st June to 10th June, it is around 110 representations gone to
this year. 110 representations to the union territory and to the state central government after abrogation of Article 270 last August. Article 370 last August, and there has been no response. No response.
Response. They have already respected basically in the month of late June that they have repeated that order which they have given to the High Court in 2016 and asked the DMRR, which is basically the what you call the issuing authority for the job. So we don't know because we went to the DMRR. DMRR means the Disaster Management, Rehabilitation and Reconciliation Department.
Okay.
So the PM's package comes under that department.
All right.
So we met the present and the previous secretaries of this department. Previous secretary was more, I can say I was more comfortable with him. He suggested some points also. We put into it. We recommended it to the government, and virtually it was virtually done by the previous DMR secretary. But unfortunately, from February this year, we met the new secretary, and he also told us that we have decided that 500 posts will be advertised through SRO 425. अभी जो लड़ाई हमारी है सेंट्रल और स्टेट के साथ इन जॉब्स पे वो है कि हम इन 500 पोस्ट को चाहते हैं वो SRO 425 में आए. Virtually क्या होता है कि SRO 412 is the parental SRO for the PM's package, and you can say it is a son of the parental 425. ठीक है ना. हमने उनसे कहा कि दे कैन नॉट कम्पीट एज पर द एजुकेशन इज वैल्यू, दैट्स नॉट द प्रॉब्लम. Provide them the jobs as per their qualification, as per their educational qualification, so that they can compete within the valley, not outside the valley. Outside the
Correct.
valley means the migrants, because migrants are the
Correct.
larger number,
Correct.
and we are the smaller number. Okay. लड़ाई उससे भी अभी भी चल रही है. When there is a career का this instructions also as on date, I will just tell you that they actually directed the DMR secretary to implement the government of India's policy about the relief and rehabilitation of the Kashmiri miners, especially the Kashmiri miners who are living in the valley. लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. और आज की डेट में आई केम टू नो कि सेक्रेटरी इज नॉट वर्किंग, क्योंकि सेक्रेटरी के दो हिस्से हो गए. पहले तो ये पूरा सेक्रेटरी आता था मतलब जम्मू है या जम्मू जिसको हम कहते हैं लोकली. अब तो उसमें डिवाइड हो गए. अब तो जो वहाँ पे जो स्टाफ है वो 10 दिन यहाँ पे रहते हैं, 10 दिन वहाँ पे रहते हैं, 10 दिन छुट्टी पे हो जाते हैं. देयर इज वर्चुअली नो फॉर्मर एज ऑन डेट ऑन द ग्राउंड. ये हमारी बात नहीं, ये सबके लिए है ऐसा.
I mean, this is really shocking that what Mr. Tikku is telling us is that yes, there was a formal response from the center that the SRO order will be implemented, that 500 jobs will be created as per the SRO order that was the son of the parent order. But there is no government force, there's no government representative, no secretary functioning where the Kashmiri non-migrant pandits can take their problems to. In fact, Sanjay ji is saying that nobody in Kashmir has anybody to go to because the government is virtually non-functioning. You have said, Sanjay ji, you have said to us that you are considering going on a fast unto death. It's a very dire step. It's a very serious step. I mean, have you reached the end of your tether, end of your patience? Why are you saying that you will take such a step?
एक्चुअली टू बी फ्रैंक एनफ कि अब मुझे कोई भरोसा नहीं है इस स्टेट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर, क्योंकि especially on the bureaucrats who are working as on date in the jail पे. Why I am taking this hard step? It's because I am going for the suicide as on date. It seems like that. Because I received some calls from my committee members before I decided that I will go for fast unto death after issuing the final communication to the state and the central government. There was virtually, I can heard on the background, there was virtually some members were weeping. So they were not telling me the frankly, but I could assist because क्योंकि मैं उनके घरों में गया हूँ, ठीक है, तो घर का हालात मुझे अभी भी अपने सामने है. तो मैं I can जज कि उनके पास हो सकता है खाने के लिए नहीं हो या दवाई के लिए नहीं हो या कुछ और चीजों के लिए नहीं हो पैसे. तो देयर वाज दैट काइंड ऑफ ना जो एटमॉस्फेयर बैकग्राउंड में था. तो उस वजह से my core committee decided that I compelled my core committee that I am going to fast with that whatever it means. It's not कि मैं कोई from the rich family से हूँ तो कोई मेरे घर पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. I do have my two kids. Just my daughter has completed the graduation and my son is in 11th grade. So these two are small as on date. So I am also in the private sector for last 1 year because of lockdown and because of Hartal of 5th of August. So financially, every not only me, not my community, but the other communities who are living in the valley, Muslims, the Sikhs and others, they too are there is a financial crunch as on date. I think more than 60 or 70% people who are living in the valley. That's
60 to 70% of people, apart from Kashmiri Pandits, Sikhs, Muslims, everybody are undergoing.
Yes. तो अब हमारे साथ तो मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज है कि जो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ फॉर मुस्लिम फॉर सिक्स, क्योंकि 6 भी गुड नंबर्स में है यहाँ पे अराउंड 75 to 80,000 अराउंड 19,000 English are resigning in the and Muslims are in the majority. So what they are doing during the turmoil which we have seen for last 30 years, वो लोगों को मदद करती हैं, ठीक है ना, चाहे मोहल्ले कमेटी से हो या मस्जिद कमेटीज होती हैं, गुरुद्वारा कमेटीज होती हैं. But for we as a, no doubt, some families have received the essential commodity from Muslim communities also, or Mohalla communities or village communities. That I have received so many calls from the beneficiaries itself. कि उन्होंने कहा कि हमें भी आज की डेट में मतलब चावल के whatever the 10 crore, 20 crore are. ये भी नहीं है कि they are ignoring the Kashmiri funds. But for us, for 808 families, we don't have any outside support. Vis-a-vis, whenever there is a turmoil, because we have faced the turmoil during 90s also, we have faced the turmoil in 2008, 2010, 2011, 2016, and last year also. For us, it is a turmoil. It is not a win-win situation for us. Though whoever is living in the valley, it is not a matter of the Kashmiri funds. Though they have their own voices, majority or Sikhs have their voices outside Kashmir. But unfortunately, few of my Kashmiri friends, or Kashmiri Pandit friends, or friends like you, friends like the others, of course, they whatever they do by their own. But I need to support.
Not in an organized way. I got it. Not in an organized way.
Yes, that's the point.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you that it looks like there are two major issues. One is, or three major issues. One is, of course, the huge one is the economic situation, which is getting worse. मतलब आर्थिक जो परिस्थिति बहुत खराब होती जा रही है. Isolation है. Then there's a security issue, क्योंकि आपके ऊपर वो about 2 years back, I remember talking to you when there was that bomb attack also on 2-3 families in remote villages. So there's the issue of security. The security was also pulled out away from the Kashmiri Pandit families. Earlier, you had security in different locations. And the third is the religious and cultural issue of cultural protection, cultural diversity and all that. Where, if I recall, you had corrected the Minister of State for Home, Kishan Reddy, when he had said that there are 50,000 temples. You said there were 5,000 to 7,000 temples all over the valley.
In the entire JNK, not all over.
In the entire JK, and in GNK, there were about 500 or 600 which need to be.
This is 1842 as on date.
1842 Kashmiri Pandit temples within the valley, which need to be protected. And you kept saying that don't exaggerate the figures, actually come and protect our diversity.
Yes.
So, I mean, do you feel at one level, sir, कि इसको सिर्फ एक राजनीतिक मुद्दा बना करके, just to try and create an impression that in Muslim majority Kashmir, there is no respect for diversity. Actually, जहाँ पे आपकी जिंदगियां हैं, आपके सिलसिले हैं, आपकी तकलीफें हैं, उसको कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दे रहा. सरकार वहाँ पे नजर ही नहीं डाल रही.
ये तो मुद्दा बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट उठाया, but I will frankly stop now. अगर हम माइग्रेशन की बात करें, माइग्रेशन जो हुई हमारी कम्युनिटी की,
जी,
whatever the reason was because the militants, the terrorists killed the village of the
right.
And there was a huge link between 15th of March 1989 till 31st of October 1990. It was around more than 600 killings of the Kashmiri.
More than 600 deaths.
Yeah.
600 deaths. Between 89 and 90. Yeah.
89 and 90. So, because of that, people started to leaving the valley, and there was other reasons also, that the threatening given by a particular militant organization, the press, to leave the valley within 24 hours. Frankly, the people who are saying that Mr. Jagmohan, who was the governor during that time, has asked the Kashmiri police to leave the valley. I am not buying that. Why? Why I am not buying that? As per our census, there were 77,124 families living in the valley in the year 1989. Okay. So till 31st of May, around 17,000, 31st of May 1990, 70,000 families left the valley for obvious reasons. So there was around 7,000 families. So in 1992, a government report is that there were 32,000 souls who were residing in the valley, those who never migrated from this place. In 1998, when the Vanawa massacre took place in Gandharbal district as on date, so then Divisional Commissioner of Kashmir, Mr. S.L. Abbas, is now the retired person. The government of India asked him to do the census of the non-migrant Kashmirians, how many have left in the valley. So as per their census, it was 19,865 souls, which is roughly 4,000 families, between 3,700 and 4,000. लेकिन जब हमने सर्वे किया 2008-2009 में, तो we could find only 8 families ना. अब रही बात राजनीति की. राजनीति, the day one, my community, or when I decided that I will leave the valley because the killings of my relatives, killings of my kids and things, so Rajniti starts from that day. I don't think that BJP virtually make us a begging community before the world. If they were, अगर वो सीरियस होते, सिंसियर होते, उनके पास यहाँ पे कार्डर्स थे आरएसएस के, जम्मू में उनके कार्डर्स थे आरएसएस के, पंजाब में उनके कार्डर्स थे आरएसएस के, जो आज क्लेम करते हैं कि करोड़ों में है. ठीक है, मैं समझता हूँ उसमें तो लाखों में ही होंगे. अगर 1 लाख लोग आते यहाँ पे और प्रोटेक्ट करते, मैं समझ लेता कि हाँ, आरएसएस राष्ट्रीय सेवा संघ को हमारी धारकता है. My name again and again, even the elections also, in the recent elections also, कि हमें जी कश्मीरी हिंदुओं को वापस भेजना, तो भेजो ना. ठीक है. So I cannot blame the entire Muslims, those Muslims who voted for India for last 73 years, who took the bullets on their, who is the informer as on date. It's not a Kashmiri Punjab. It's not a Sikh. It's a Kashmiri Muslim who is providing the information to the security forces, and he's getting killed. Yeah. It is not only my Indian security forces. My Indian security, if they are claiming that they have the upper hand on the militancy, it is because of the local Muslims who are giving them the support. It is not me. It is not the Pandits who are living outside Kashmir and claiming that I have given sacrifice for the nation. It is the people who stood with Indian security forces, and they are providing them the ground on ground. So that's why the way they are politicized my misery. It is not the misery that I am living in the valley, having the status of non-migrant. For the whole community, culturally I am weak. They have destroyed my culture. They have destroyed my heritage. They have destroyed my karma kanda. I have different karma kanda as compared to the rest of the Hindus. Yeah. कल जन्माष्टमी है, हम जन्माष्टमी बनाते हैं यहाँ पे. आज हमारी जन्माष्टमी, which is known as in Kashmiri Dharma Satam Shah. Okay, so I am different. As for we as a community for last 3,500 years has given lots of things to the rest of the Hinduism. Yeah. And today I am being called I am being embarrassed by the certain groups that why you are why you are using the Kashmiri point, why not using the Kashmiri Hindu? Then Bihari can say proudly, I am a Bihari. Maharashtra can say I am a proud Maharashtrian. I am a proud Gujarati. Why not me? Why the sword is always जो लटकती रहती है, कश्मीरी पर नहीं बोलना, कश्मीरी हिंदू बोलो. आप डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हिंदू को. तो अब ये बात चल रही है 50,000 टेम्पलों की. भी फ्राई करना, मैंने कभी भी आज से पहले भी 2-3 दिन पहले सब कुछ बंधु से कहा. If they want to declare that India as a Hindu state, declare it now. Now means इस वक्त 12:40 हुए आज की डेट, अभी वो डिक्लेयर करें. Let me see leaving the minorities aside, let me see the Hindus, 100 crore Hindus, how many persons are with them? Because we have lived in a different culture for centuries.
Correct. Correct.
No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Whenever there is any religious supremacy, if you go to the history also, whenever there is a supremacy of any religion, so atrocities will happen. It's not the matter of कि 500-700 साल पहले क्या हुआ, 600 साल पहले क्या हुआ. But if you then you have to change the Constitution of India. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि राम राजा हमारी Constitution of India में है. Let them implement on ground zero in every state in my country on letter and spirit. मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Exactly.
I am a proud Indian. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ I am a proud Indian. But the policy, some of the policy, जो which I will not like. That is the main goal. लेकिन जब हम आवाज उठाते हैं तो कहते हैं हमारी कम्युनिटी के कुछ लोग कहते हैं ये तो मुझे वैसे भी यहाँ के कुछ मुझे एक नाम दिया गया था निक नेम संजय जिलानी.
ओहो.
ठीक है. इससे ओपन सीक्रेट ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपके कमरे में क्या रिकॉर्ड इन एवरीबॉडी सीइंग दैट ऑन डे. हमने यहाँ पे दशहरा स्टार्ट किया 2007 में. इट वाज फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर 1980. ठीक है ना. लेकिन कश्मीरी पंडित बेसिकली ये ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करते थे बिकॉज वी बिलीव दैट जो रावणा थे he was a Brahman because he was a Brahman also. We too are the Brahmans. तो हम ब्राह्मण का दहन मतलब उस मेथोलॉजी से अगर हम देखें तो ये वाज डन बाय द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द खित्री. कौन से खित्री थे जो मीरपुर से आए थे यहाँ पे और उससे पहले आई थिंक महाराजा हरि सिंह ने ये स्टार्ट किया था और आयदर गुलाब सिंह. तो जब हमारे बच्चे देखते थे ये 2007 की बात. So my daughter and my colleague's son told me वो छोटे होंगे. Uncle, my daughter called me, पापा हम क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं यहाँ पे. It was in 2006. टीवी पे देखते थे ना. So they want to participate those kinds of things. So we three people, that is Vijay, Ratan Chopra and me. We took the initiative. We were not knowing कि करना क्या है. जो पुतला है वो कहाँ से लाना है कैसे करना है. But we did it. So it is one of the biggest event in Kashmir as on date. और पार्टिसिपेशन कौन है. मेरी ऑडियंस कौन है. मेरी ऑडियंस यहाँ के लोकल मुस्लिम्स है. But I was cursed by few of my Kashmiri friends outside Kashmir कि ये he is doing on the behalf of Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani and Salahuddin. While as I am receiving the finance from my community either from here or from outside. Yeah. I have personally good friends of within my community or from the other communities also. I am getting 30%, 25% finance from the local Muslims. Yeah. So presenting the Kashmiri Muslim, I am not talking about the Muslims in the rest of the India. Because they have lived in a separate world, in a separate situation. But in Kashmir, and we have one gene. तो कश्मीरी में कहते हैं कि अगर का मतलब मैं कोट करूंगा फिर हिंदी में. कश्मीरी में कहते हैं अगर तुम्हें जब भी यहाँ पे किसी का भी खून बहता है तो मतलब चाहे वो मेरा खून हो, पंडित का खून हो, मुस्लिम का खून हो, सिख का खून, कश्मीरी का खून हो, जो अदर कम्युनिटी के खून में वो बुलबुले आ जाते हैं. ये मुझे लग रहा है सिर्फ कश्मीर में है, कश्मीर में ही है. No doubt, we are the two banks of river Jhelum as far as the political aspirations are concerned. Whether it is Muslims and Pandits की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. मुस्लिम्स को क्या चाहिए वो सबको पता है, वो पंडित को क्या चाहिए वो सबको पता है. तो वहाँ पे मुझे डिफरेंस हो जाती है. लेकिन डिफरेंस में भी इतना है कि वी आर टॉलरेबल एज ऑन डेट, जो कि बाहर आपको नहीं मिलेगा. There was no linking in my Kashmir as on, कभी भी नहीं हुआ. हम 808 फैमिलीज हैं residing at 242 places in the valley. अगर मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी चाहिए ना, हमें 2 सेकंड भी, उनको 2 सेकंड भी नहीं लगेंगे आज की डेट में हमें खत्म करने के लिए। लेकिन हमारे वजूद को खत्म करने वाला कौन है? वो है, चाहे प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट हो, प्रीवियस मिशनरी हो, या आज की मिशनरी जो है, वो हमें खत्म करने पे बैठे हैं। So that's why they are giving these kinds of statements. कृष्णा रेड्डी को तो वो, मुझे नहीं लगता वो कश्मीर में उनको बोले कि गणपति मंदिर पता है आपको, वो कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर है, हमारे कश्मीर में भी सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर है। उनको कहे यहाँ पे भी राम मंदिर है, मेरे जस्ट 100 मीटर्स अवे, बिल्ड बाय हरि सिंह, ठीक है। उनको कहिए कि यहाँ पे कितने तीर्थ है, तो मुझे नहीं जाना है गंगा जमुनी तहजीब में, मुझे यहाँ पे ही गंगा जमुनी तहजीब यहीं पे है, मेरा प्रयाग भी यही है, मेरा पुष्कर भी यही है, मेरी गंगा मैया भी यही है, सरस्वती भी यही है, यमुना भी यही है। मुझे काशी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं काशी में ही रहता हूँ। मुझे मक्के मक्का जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं मक्के में ही रहता हूँ, क्योंकि जहाँ पे इंसानियत हो, ठीक है। 2008 में मुझे भी लगा, मैंने आपसे पहले भी कहा था, 2008 में अमरनाथ लैंड हुआ था, तो 2 दिन मतलब मेरी यहाँ विसिनिटी में, मेरे मोहल्ले में, मुझे लगा कि 90 आ गया वापस, क्योंकि वो बातें कुछ दाएं बाएं करते थे, बात नहीं करते, बट दैट लास्ट ओनली फॉर 2 days, बट इन 1990 जब माइग्रेशन यहाँ से हुई, इट लास्ट फॉर 2 years। जब वो हमने बर्दाश्त किया, तो ये 2 दिन पे हमने बर्दाश्त किया, एंड आफ्टर दैट वो अपने भी मोहल्ले के लोग हैं, अपने ही मोहल्ले वाले हैं, वो क्या, उन्होंने कहा पता नहीं हमें क्या हुआ था उन 2 दिनों। अब मैं यहाँ से उठूँ और स्टेटमेंट निकालो, देखो कि हम बड़े ही इन वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में, वो भी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में है, हम भी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में है। तो ये बोथ द कम्युनिटीज विल एंडोर्स देयर पेन एंड मिजरीज। मुझे गलत नहीं लगता है कि उसमें क्या है, अगर मेरे सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ने काम भी अच्छा किया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, जिस हिसाब से जो प्रॉक्सी यहाँ पे चले, अब प्रॉक्सी क्यों चली, उसके ऊपर कोई ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा है। मुझे आप बताइए 89 में जो यहाँ से बसी चली गई थी पिंडी के लिए, there was a rush of buses towards Pindi. Pindi is near to Kopara, across the LOC. Why the government of India didn't stop those kinds of during allowed to cross the LOC of thousands of Muslim youth? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है पूरे समाज के लिए, पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लोगों के लिए, it was a plan to bring the militancy in the valley.
Yeah.
How they have allowed thousands of people to cross LOC? And who was guarding the LOC during that time? My brother, who is wearing the uniform. Yeah. He's my brother, na? Whether he's a Muslim, Sikh or whatever he is. But he's my brother because he's a citizen of it. तो उसके ऊपर नहीं ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा है। फिर भी कह रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान ने किया ना, पाकिस्तान ने इसलिए किया है कि पाकिस्तान को आपने 2 टुकड़ों में बांट दिया 1971 में, और उन्होंने आप पाकिस्तान को एक अंगूठा आपने काट दिया। तो व्हाटएवर द रीजन इट मे बी, लेकिन आप इस गलत समय में आज की डेट में भी है कि पाकिस्तान चुप करके बैठेगा। ही लॉस्ट इन पंजाब। आप पंजाब की मिलिटेंसी और कश्मीर की मिलिटेंसी देख लीजिए। जो पंजाब की मिलिटेंसी थी, दैट वाज द वर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ barbaric attacks by the पंजाबी मिलिटेंट। कश्मीर में ऐसा नहीं हुआ। फिर पाकिस्तान ने किया क्योंकि कश्मीर के लोग कुछ राजनेताओं ने यहाँ पे वो लाइव रखा, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान के नारे, मतलब उसको कश्मीर में कहते हैं सबजन मीन्स द ग्रीन फ्लैग। ओके, so what the hell was the center was doing, na? Why don't the public, the general public of India ask these questions to the politicians? अब मुझे बताइए कि आरएसएस ने कौन सा बड़ा काम किया यहाँ पे? You will be surprised for last 1 year through some proxies the RSS is feeding around 1 lakh Kashmiri Muslims. But nobody came to me or my community जो ये वो हिंदुता तक की जो बात करते हैं, क्या मैं हिंदू नहीं हूँ, मैं मलेश हूँ, मैं भी तो हिंदू हूँ। नहीं, दैट्स कॉल्ड द राजनीति। मेरे बयान से आज की डेट में अगर कोई बात करता होगा सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी की तरफ से, आई मे रिसीव ए कॉल एंड आई मे इवन में गेट द PSA, मुझे उसका डर नहीं है। जो सच्चाई है वो सच्चाई ही है। मैं अपने कमरे में बैठा हूँ, मुझे कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं है।
सर आप
जो बयान दे, जो स्टेटमेंट देते हैं तो वो अंडर सिक्योरिटी में देते हैं।
When is your last communication going to go to the center? आप कब लिखने वाले हो?
Most probably today or tomorrow.
And then what sort of time frame are you going to keep before you
10 days. Within 10 days from the date of
sending it.
Because we are sending by mail rather than by post.
Correct. Mr. Tikku, I have no words. हमें कुछ शब्द नहीं है. I can only say that your clarity and your मतलब आपकी जो एक स्पष्टता है, आपका जो कमिटमेंट है भारतीय संविधान के प्रति, अपने लोगों के प्रति और अपने पड़ोसी के प्रति, मुझे तो शर्म लगती है कि हम भारत हिंदुस्तान में इतना सा छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम, मतलब 808 परिवारों का प्रॉब्लम, हम लोग आवाज उठा करके बाकी हिंदुस्तान, आप छोड़िए सरकार, बाकी हिंदुस्तान के लोग क्यों नहीं इसको सुलझाने की कोशिश करके सरकार के ऊपर प्रेशर डाल। बस हम हमारी तरफ से, हमारे संगठन की तरफ से इतना ही कहेंगे कि we will also endorse your public petition the moment you send it. We will start a signature campaign all over India. We will ask all right-thinking Indians to put pressure on the central government and the Mr. Manoj Sinha, who's the new Lieutenant Governor, that please, this is a small problem. It must be solved. It must be solved with dignity. It must be solved with immediacy. Your struggle represents the struggle for the constitution, for diversity, for pluralism, and also hope for the rest of Kashmir. Because I think, like, आपने इतनी बढ़िया बात कही कि 242 लोगों में जगह पे, in 242 locations, 808 families are living, and there have been incidents. It's not like there have been no unpleasant incidents, but by and large, these 808 families have been kept secure by the Muslims of Kashmir. And that is something that Sanjay ji is appreciating at this moment when things are so ruptured, so fractured. And I think we need to come out of the politics of who is a migrant, who is a refugee, who is not, and look at this as a human rights issue, as a constitutional issue, and help the Kashmiri Pandit Sangharsh Samiti and Sanjay Tikku ji to immediately get the demands that they have got through the courts, they've got through government assurances, but they have not been realized. हम आपके साथ हैं, sir. I have no other words except to say, even in the past, we have tried our little bit. We have tried our little bit in the past. We will continue to do it today. And we salute your bravery. We salute not just your bravery and your organization, but all those young people, older people, women and children who are living in Kashmir and who embody Kashmiriyat. Really embody Kashmiriyat. इतना ही हम कह सकते हैं, और कुछ लफ्ज ही नहीं मेरे पास.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Please take care, sir. Please take care.
Thank you.
Sanjay Tikku ji has said that tomorrow or day after, the final representation will go to the central government and the UT government, government of the Union Territory, which is a lieutenant governor. And after that, he and his colleagues have decided that they'll give a 10-day ultimatum for a resolution of their problems. Otherwise, he is committed, his colleagues are committed to go to a fast unto death. I think all of us Indians need to make sure that that does not happen. That the demands of the 808 Kashmiri Pandit families in the valley are met with dignity and quickly. That is my demand to all the viewers of Citizens for Justice and Peace and Sabrang. Please support this campaign of the Kashmiri Pandit Sangharsh Samiti.